What's up everyone, it's Joe Biesmeyer with Bounce House 101. Today I want to talk to you about the best way to reach out to schools and churches for those larger events, such as carnivals, fundraisers, end-of-year activities, and holiday events. Let's check it out. We design all of our Trifold flyers ourselves on canva.com. We design a different trifold for different types of customers. We design one style that's geared more towards schools, another one geared more towards churches, and a different one that we hand out as more general information at city events or farmers markets. For schools, we like to show more pictures of items that would benefit them, such as large slides, obstacle courses, and interactive games. We also add a lot of words such as fundraisers, carnivals, graduation, field days, and teacher appreciation. These words and phrases will help trigger ideas for them on new opportunities. Maybe a school has never done field days before and now they're interested in getting more information on that. We also like to use QR codes on all of our trifolds and link them directly to our website so they can either call or book an event right away. These QR codes can also be created directly on Canva. Another thing we like to do is offer some form of discount code they can use. For one, this gives them an incentive to book now and claim a discount before it expires. It also gives us the ability to track our marketing campaigns to see which ones are working and which ones aren't. For church flyers, we like to use words like Vacation Bible School, holiday events, and youth ministries. We also like to include words and phrases such as "we are fully insured," "we do all the setup and takedown," and "we only use high quality commercial equipment." We always use a different coupon code so we can track our marketing campaign and so that we can offer a discount as an incentive for them to book right now. You can get Canva for free on canva.com, but I highly recommend paying for the Canva Pro. You'll get additional features that you won't be able to have access to with the free version. Plus, you can use Canva for your social media posts as well. I use it for my YouTube thumbnails, we use it for all of our social media marketing, and we use it for all of our school and church flyers. On Canva, there are tons of templates already put together to give you a great starting point. You can select what exactly you're looking for. For this video, we'll select the brochure templates. You can even filter different styles, themes, and colors. It's easy to just select a template and start editing. You could also start from scratch if you prefer. The great thing about Canva is that it saves your previous project, so it makes it much easier to load your last project and edit it for your new projects. Here's an example of where we designed our school flyers. It's very simple to remove backgrounds and photos, rotate words and pictures, and ultimately really make a great flashy brochure to hand out to potential customers. Canva will deliver all your marketing materials in a nice box. We've never had any issues using this service. They offer a great product and we've used them for years now. We purchased these colorful envelopes off of Amazon. We try to get them as bright as possible because it'll catch the attention of the person receiving it. It also doesn't give the appearance of junk mail, so the odds of them actually opening it up is higher. We purchased 200 of these for $25. Just make sure the envelopes are large enough for the flyers that you're mailing out. These particular envelopes we used are number 10 colorful envelopes with a self-seal square flap. The size is 4 1/8 inch by 9.5 inches. Canva will tell you the size of your trifold that you're designing. This one we like to use is just a standard size sheet of paper, 8.5 by 11 inches. Canva will have it folded already when they deliver it, so the overall dimensions when folded will be around 3.6 inches by 8.5 inches. These will fit perfectly in the colorful envelopes we were just looking at. It's easy to just place the already folded trifolds in the envelope, seal the envelope, and start stacking. We purchased packages of address labels from Walmart. This particular one is 100 sheets with 14 labels per sheet, so 1,400 labels total. You can also purchase these on Amazon or any local shipping store. These labels cost us around $27 for the 1,400 labels. These are also great because the sheets get loaded directly into your printer and you can just print the sheet, peel the label off, and stick it on your envelope. Of course, you could also just handwrite these on the envelopes if you prefer to save some money. In order to get all the addresses you want to mail to, we make a list of every city or town we typically set up bounce houses in. Then we go on Google and search the school district website for that particular city. We then list out every school name, address, and phone number on an Excel spreadsheet. You can also use a Word document or pen and paper if you prefer. Next, we copy all the addresses onto the Easy Peel address labels on the digital file on the computer, then we print. We usually purchase rolls of stamps. One roll is 100 stamps. I'll usually purchase 3 or 4 rolls of stamps at a time. The price can start adding up fast because we're usually mailing hundreds of school flyers and another several hundred church flyers at a time. We do like to handwrite a little thank you note on each envelope. We do this so we don't come off as a large corporation that just sends out a bunch of junk mail and that doesn't really care. You don't have to do this step, but I've never heard anyone complain about it. We sometimes add a sticker to send more of a fun tone. We purchase a bunch of these bounce house stickers off of graphicsandmore.com, and they're pretty inexpensive. This is the overall final product that's all ready to get mailed out. I'll usually put all the envelopes in a box and take the entire box to the post office. I typically give it about a week or two for the mail to get sent out to the schools and for the schools to get it to the correct person. Afterwards, I start going back down my spreadsheet of schools and start calling the phone numbers I've listed out. When I call, I ask to speak with someone with the PTO or PTA. I sometimes have to leave a message, but if I could talk to someone, I just ask if they've received the flyer and our discount coupon. Whether they did or they didn't, this is a great starting point to try to set up a meeting with someone to discuss future event opportunities. Ask to sit on their next PTO meeting and see if you can introduce your business and show them what you have to offer. Thanks so much for watching this video. I really hope it was helpful. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Also check out bouncehouse101.com for additional resources. I can't wait to hear from you.